This is system test 59 of the fan alarm system. I've made quite a few changes to the system. I'll just start the test and show you as I go around. Right. Right. I've got a, can you see that ionization detector there? I've still got a flash knob there. Out here I've got the Apollo heat, optic, strobe up here. I see I've done a bit of painting in this room, not really a lot. But I've still got the 6 kilo powder. Out here, this is where it changes a bit. The battery key, Casey sounder, Apollo heat, and the Apollo optic. So I think it's already in walk test mode, I think. So let's go ahead and test this. Anything? There we go. And it's in the wrong test mode. Knew I'd do that. Oh, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but there's no battery fault now. Managed to get the batteries linked. Well, managed to get another battery for that. Right. One. Is it? Do this car point next. In here. And let me just take it out of this. So yeah, as you can see the changes I've made to the system, I still need to take down the flash near there, so I'll do that soon. Maybe a heat detector in there possibly. So yeah, I'll see how everything goes, if I've got enough time to add any more devices on as such. So yeah, that is system test 59 of the fan alarm system, and thanks for watching.